guys, it's RPS Kiwi Official, and I'd just like to do a little quick update video, so here we go. What are you doing? Why are you making pancakes? Duh, it's pancake day. No, it's not. You can even read my calendar. See, look. It clearly says, pancake day, don't forget. You may proceed making your pancakes, seems as you're making me some, yeah? Of course I am, my Kiwi. Why wouldn't I be? So, I guess you're gonna have to end this video because, yeah. But you know what? Just forget it. What a beautiful Good, the mixture's done. I just need to put it onto this plate. That should be the last of it. Okay, I'll just go pop this in the oven. So while that's cooking, I guess I better do some other pancakey things. Maybe I should lick the bowl clean. It's in my eye! Ah! Now that that's on my eye. Scrummy pancake. Kiwi, your pancake's done! Ooh, come in. So if I just... Oh yeah, beware of the flour that's on the floor. Oh, she tells me now. Looks like you took a trip in the flour. Stuff yourself. Well guys, thanks for watching this Pancake Day skit. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next video. Happy Pancakes Day. Bye.